such a beautiful, beautiful flowers. And there are lots of honeybees helping themselves. Oh. These are just gorgeous, beautiful flowers. Oh, there's a bumblebee. Did you see it?
Yes, bumblebee.
You see it? See the bumblebee?
This is just a bee.
Big old bumblebee. You see the bees?
Yes. A lot. Wow, a lot.
Mm-hmm. Slowly, Sayansu, slowly. Slowly. Look at that. You see the
Uh, ladybug.
ladybug, yeah. They all have their job. They do their job really well. Oh, look at that butterfly. Look, look. Oh,
It's hard to catch.
yeah, they're hard to. But yeah, lots of bees. I don't know if the video is gonna pick up the buzz. When you get close to these flowers, there's a constant hum from all the different bees. There's a constant hum. Ooh, butterfly,
Cheese fly.
butterfly.
Cheese fly.